Hello everybody, Mustafa at your service. We're over here in the fields again, and today we are going to be sowing Jaman and Or. Now I will put them descriptions in later in what the English terms are, but for now it's Jaman and Or. So what they're doing is sowing the seeds before the tractor comes. So when the tractor comes, it'll plough the land and the seeds will get buried. Let me go a bit closer and see how he does it. So these are the seeds. The dark seeds are Or, and the lighter seeds, the yellowish ones, are Jaman. So he takes a handful and sows it like this. Looks very therapeutic. Brilliant. Might have a go later, but I might ruin it. There's a tractor over there. When he's done over there, he'll come here and plough the land. He's coming, doing his business. Top lad, this guy, you know, top lad. A nice tractor. Well, so tractors here. The young man is carrying on, sowing on the next field. This guy will have it done in no time. So this is the ploughed land. Let's see how soft it is. Yes, done well. It's quite soft. This is the wheat that they're going to be sowing here. Beautiful. Lala over here is sowing wheat. So the field has been ploughed and he is ploughing the land after it has been ploughed. He's nearly finished. Then when he's finished that, onto this one. There's a small one over there. Let's see if you can see the chap. There you go. See that chappie over there? He's going to go there after he's ploughed this field. On to the next one. And off he goes. Like, subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon to stay up to date. What a lovely machine. Wonderful. On to the next one now. No, it looks like he's enjoying himself. Remember when we were kids, used to like play around in the sand, making patterns. This is exactly what he's doing. It looks like he's having fun. Not a bad way to earn some money, is it? But then again, it's not easy. The weather's nice at the moment, but in the height of summer, it's yeah, I believe it must be very difficult. But right now, it looks alright, doesn't it? It looks cool.